There are many forms of meditation, many purposes for meditation. Today I thought we could share a meditation together whose purpose is to create calmness, presence, and to increase awareness. As you can see, I'm outdoors. There's a beautiful river behind me, and there'll be noises around me. A distant honking, or maybe some people talking as they walk by. And this is not unlike any outdoor environment where you might be. In this meditation, we'll close our eyes and just sit comfortably. You can be on a couch. You could be in a chair like I'm in a chair. You could be sitting cross-legged on the ground. Mostly though, find a comfortable seat so you feel at ease. When we hear noises, we'll just recognize them as noise. Ah, there's a noise in the outside world. When we have thoughts that come in, we'll recognize them as thoughts. Ah, there's a thought that I'm thinking, I'll let it go. And we'll come back just to this place of presence, witnessing everything, not trying to resist anything. So from this place of witnessing, we'll increase our awareness of this present moment, just simply what is right now. Good? Maybe we go about just like 5 minutes. It's a short, nice meditation, something that you can turn to any time of the day or night. So just come sitting up and comfortable and allow the eyes to close. I like to turn my palms face up and to bring my thumb and forefinger together. I do a lot of meditation, and that's something I normally do, and that feels comfortable for me. You could be simply palms face up, or palms face down with the thumb and forefinger together, or just palms face down. Whatever's comfortable for you. We're not going to get particular about form today. So allow the eyes to close. And bring your attention to this next inhale. Take a big inhale. And pay attention to this exhale. Exhale completely. Take an inhale. And a full exhale. Be aware of this next inhale. And conscious of this next exhale. Keep your attention there, focused on the in-breath and the out-breath. Listen to the sounds around you, the sounds around me. Open up your awareness to accept all the input from your environment. Sounds, any smell, the temperature. Just simply noticing what's here with you. Allow the thoughts to come and just letting them go. Not grabbing onto any thought, more of a witness of the thoughts as they arise and as they pass on. Notice that there's a part of you that's witnessing, consciousness that's aware of everything that's going on inside of you, your thoughts, emotions, sensations inside the body. And this witnessing presence is also able to perceive all the input from the outside. From this very relaxed place, simply able to connect with the witnessing part of you, which is your true self, your consciousness, your awareness. All of your thoughts that come and go are not you. They come and they go. You witness them. All the emotions that come and go are not you. The part of you that witnesses your emotions and thoughts is truly you. Your consciousness, your awareness. Be in connection with that part of you now. Very good. Take an inhale and drop your chin to your chest and exhale. Gently flutter your eyes open. And just notice how you feel. A little calmer, more collected perhaps. If you have a journal, always a great thing to write a few notes of what's coming up for you in these meditations. Mostly recognize that this is something that you can turn to regularly to connect more deeply with your true self, that witnessing presence, so that you can be a calmer, more effective, more balanced, happier, more content person on your journey. So much love and Satnam to you. Hope you enjoy this, and please put it to use in your life. Whenever you feel like you need to calm down or to shift emotionally, come back to this meditation. Namaste.